Vetigia CS nominee.
Yes. This is the parliamentary later appointments committee can appointing.
The appointments committee of parliament.
Yes. I love Marco Tokiari. You are the Lu.
Wahoro tiki.
Yes.
No, Maogi Shokamade can report. Shokaru to the whole house.
Yes.
Okay, horo tiki. Kanawako go with you.
Go on, no, here's okay. You are Korea whole house.
Yes. No kirigana na ripoti ile kamiti kwandika no recommend uyu no uyu mahitukio
yes
uyu no uyu ngiri
macoke mucie merai
well I don't see that likelihood
well have we ever even seen anything like that
I see jawahi
no it's working fast oh yes and of course this is grilling akihunganguo yes
nego ikagetia rithoguo na gutu
niguo
rucini no the CS nominee wa Girigasha
yes
athikagireria kidogo no uyu kiri king'ang'aini tha icuretwo Eric Muriithi
yes
ndamuthikagireria kiambia
niguo ni wakuria igembe
miru
yes and is probably if he becomes CS he probably become the youngest CS in history
no he is very young 32 years
is our junior yes
leo ne millennium maya manini
yes ne millennium manini you are right
yes
32 is very young
that is born 1992 yes
tukiria kuru mwana wa Ngai
no mundu wa miaka 32 ndakeciarirwo 1992
32 ni mundu wa 1992
yes
Edio Simon
kawa maka mwana Jesu
Simon akiendia chai mukawa hari uguo basai
mundu wa miaka 33 aciarirwo 1992
ni ndamaka mwana wa Jaisu
hindi ya githurano kia multi party
aje roto repeat section 2
yes
hey, it might just be fast and want to watch. Oh yes. Now of course you have to akuria igemberi. Wanaangalia baba.
Sana ni mtoto yao.
Mtoto yetu unajua ameenda kuwa waziri baba.
Ni kijana.
Tulitolewa ule linduri tunarudishiwa huyu baba. Wasa tuangalie na wazijaribu kumwanguza. Wakiwa na kete au wakaya hapo.
Huyo ni kijana msafi.
Huyo sasa hata ufisadi hata miaka yake ufisadi japika.
Anjulie ufisadi wapi?
Atayulia wapi huyo? Huyo ni pamba.
Yara naiga leader of majority Kimani Ichung'wa.
Yes.
Amwita clean slate.
Yes. Itondu ona miaka opportunity yako yo handu angi yari.
Ahetwo no.
Yes. Ona kwesiria kiuria giki the elephant in the room kiri andu othe magakorwo mathikiriirie ukaigua orio kani undu korea your net worth please kindly na atumia ri ni maratukania utonga wao na wa mzai
ni ndiraiguire ari swahome ino ni ciake na muthuri
ona CS health nominee ri aretwo atia that lady
aretwo Dr.
yes yes that one ona kerera ugire atiriri twina mzai twina ithe wa cianari na thuri matiratukania
aca thuri matiratukania
na marauga ni uguo muranyona
ndike mutongu uguo
please ndirio mundu wa kwihinyiriria
ndio mundu uretha
muturire-ini ndio mwethi na ndika haridia gite ucokaniria ciakwa 900 maite
tonga wakwa utari munene
yes
no milioni 680 ciana cia Ngai
uguo nduare ugire 980
ai
uti mundu urafujare kodia ma DVD
na ma DVD ndarakibetwo rita riri augire ciake ni BC gana
binya oi ciare nya
na kuringana na rate ire manathi nayo ri
yes
au nona kindi kia rugiro ngereire milioni yo igana ria 53
yes
kuringana na rate ire manathi nayo ri
yes
basi ma DVD ni agebatie gukorwo na akiongereire around a B
kuma
matano kwa bata
yes
kuringana na utonga vis-a-vis maciaro
yes Uraho tha ici
Mureithi
ni gwatuika mbeca iria nacio
ndie kana makinyireire ha mbeca. I'm not very sure anga matikinyireire ha mbeca.
Uyu ni ahana kuga
atena cigana 214
arutite ku
214
million
at 32 years. Tatiga gaturandiru nama
nie kugeciragia eguthakira hau rucangi-ini na manana
32 years
214 million
karemire ri
kane kurimirwo
na tutikiguete ati ni mwana ithe yari waziri tene ri.
Yes
214
ona reke u andu muteithu tutaretwo hau tondu no tucambithie nginya matura maria tumite.
Even the appointing authority
sorry can you come again please. No ithuĩ kĩrĩa tũngĩka rĩ ũngĩthota hau rĩ nĩ ũimbĩrĩrie tondũ ũngĩhana biga ĩmwe you sound very shallow kĩmondo
kũrigwo kana no kwĩhokerwo kĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ kĩa mabilioni.
Yes what is your net worth?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My net
worth you are saying today
by today
well I have 2 plots in Juja farm. Those ones I bought 200. Now they leash 500. First millions. I have a box that carry Libera Impex.
When a box iko Libera.
Loot ya Gatodu. That one I buy second hand 1.1. I thank you because I also have a power saw, which is my power saw is operated by my father's brother. That one I buy has Governor 85,000.
Abuge mage makamone na kanua.
My wife, she has a hatchery of Fifalaga.
Chicken,
the day broiler day old. That one we buy from China, 150,000. But you are taking us on. We don't understand. Can you just tell us we are not worth? I am trying to remember. Before I forget, I also have sayers of a case. Sorry, that one we don't count. In my circle, where I can borrow 3 times my saving, I have 337.
I have a doobie.
I have 2 motorcycles that ply. Kagodoine kabati loot. Those ones is scenery, Mr. Speaker, the expensive one.
Operated by my cousins.
And one by my brother who I fired yesterday because of link. So you are telling us what is your net worth. Don't waste our time here, Kijana. I will try to tell us you do not know what you are worth. Laughly because many things I is still on loan I have not paid. Laughly, give me 2.2.
And sorry, I forgot. I have a Toyota Wiz.
Yes. And I have another East that carry Umba. Hey, okay, so I don't know about money. I use this person who can trust the budget of 2 billion.
Okay, your minister in allocation near billion. mirongo.
Who nominated this young man? He will be very excited at government money.
Mr. Speaker, you will forgive me. I am the face of Hasora.
Wacha shoki oria diriri. Are you aware that the minister you are about to be confirmed in that possibility has an annual expenditure of 7 billion? Ooh.
You are saying billions.
B. Guy Fafa. Now. That one is me who will learn or we shall be many. You shall be the cabinet secretary. What is wrong with you? Do you understand the job?
Wow.
I am humbled. You can look like a joke.
Ukiona ndio the maiga tora muthi.
Twaite Joel Mose behau ori. What is your net worth, Joel? Mr. Speaker. You see, I have sound. Listen to that, by sound.
What do you mean by sound?
Right now, I have right now, and sometimes I am trusted with the hammer of Wagadava.
You educate at your point of order.
What about Mr. Speaker? Joel Mushembe. What we are saying your net worth is what? Let me see. I'm a taxi. Na mimi napagiaga watu event. Event zote za Kikuyu.
I organize.
Like now I'm working for Jenny Muthoni. Wakafura. Anasa midori atu ni ale bia ha. Kage mama kia.
Akura no mabe mamake.
Wenga muthuri ni munini muno na 214 million.
At that too.
Yes. Joko tora gitoero ha. Ito gitoero ora te miaka-ini yo igetigu. Almost there. Yes.
Uguo ni kuga riu mureithi wa gikinyia chuani ri.
Yes.
Makoro riu magithakira rigi na riu iria mundavadi.
Wega. Ta wega.
Na no agitũrwo kwa mai.
Yes.
Na kwa mai kuo gutikiri ng'aragu.
Kwa wamba.
Kwa wamba gutiri ng'aragu.
Gutiri ng'aragu kundangĩhũta.
Tuti East Africa.
Aiya tũngĩthiĩ. No hoe mwathani marũgĩre kĩũria kĩu kĩa what is your
network. But you know that's the elephant in the house.
Yes. You see actually amwe declaration citũ rĩ. Nyumba iria rĩu tũcokanĩrĩirie ĩgĩkorwo an eighth or not eighth, half of the declaration. I have a bungalows at Murera Darasa, 4 million.
No, mama kia muno. Kwa Jomere nduri muciĩ Nairobi.
Yes.
No, they will be very surprised.
Macoke maigua.
Where do you live?
Macoke maigua wena mathirĩ ma gũteng'eretie. I live in Kagema.
How will you be able to commute to your office and attend to your duties?
I shall rent. See, when you get me CS, so you give house allowance. And then, I shall live somewhere in Kilimani.
Esa ya na 45.